So Alice has a string and she's appending the digits 2, 0, 1, and 8 to it. And then she stops if it ends in 2, 0, 1, 8. And we want to find the probability that she stops when when the length of the string is less than 9. So we see that like case recap first looks kind of messy. There's like 8 cases, right? It stops at 1, stops at 2, stops at 3, stops at 4, stops at 5, stops at 6, etc. But we see that it's actually not that bad since it can't like if L is the length of the string, L is greater than or equal to 4, right? So we just have the case where it's like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so it's not going to be that bad, right? And for 4, you see that the only string possible is 2018. So then that means that that has 1 over 4 to the 4 probability. For 5, you can have anything there, and then it must end with 2018. So we see that like what's here doesn't matter, and then what only matters is we must flip 2018 over at the end. So this is also gonna be like 1 since what you like go here doesn't matter. So it's still gonna be 1 over 4 to the 4. For 6, it's kind of the same logic. We can't stop anywhere early since like there's no like prefix of 2018. No, sorry, there's no prefix of 2018 that's also like a suffix of 2018 apart from itself. So then this is still 1 times 1 over 4 to the 4. Same logic for 7, right? This is still going to be 1 times 1 over 4 to the 4. For 8, this kind of gets slightly more interesting because you see it can actually like stop here at 4. So then we would have been double counting, I guess. So we can like try to do our previous approach where we just do like well actually there's 4 to the 4 uh things you can do here and 4 to the 4 you can things do there. So that's like a total of 4 to the 8 in your denominator and the numerator. These things can be anything, right? But the only problem is that doesn't work when the first 4 digits is 2018. And that's the only possibility that doesn't work we see. So then our thing's just gonna be 4 to the 4 minus 1 over 4 to the 8. So then our final answer is going to be all these summed, which is going to be like, if we put it all over common denominator 4 to the 8, it's going to be 4 to the 5 plus 4 to the 4. So 1 over 4 to the 8 is going to be like 1024 plus 256 minus 1 over 4 to the over 2 to the 16 is going to be 1279 over 2 to the 16.